Welcome to today's La Pietra Dialogues event. My name is Ace Stelter, and today we will be discussing Italian politics. NYU professors, Professor Dalimonte and Professor Chiaramonte, are going to be discussing whether this is the end of the Berlusconi era. Is it? Well, we're about to find out. Here's what happened in tonight's event. Both Professor Chiaramonte and Dalimonte talked about Berlusconi's future. Berlusconi has finally been convicted of tax fraud. He will decide between a year of house arrest or community service as punishment. If Berlusconi pulls his support from the government, Italy could witness many negative effects. Professor Dalimonte favors Matteo Renzi, the mayor of Florence, as the politician with the most hope of defeating Berlusconi and ending the Berlusconi era.
Possible outcomes. One is elections, like you say, new elections.
After the professor spoke, the students got to ask questions.
This is a great question, Professor Chiaramonte. Not only does not name the one was many years before.
And so did the NYU professors.
We didn't like it, can I have opinions?
This is the point that was also raised in Britain. The left wing, but I want to vote for someone who will beat Berlusconi, period.
You say the left, the PD, NP,
On that side of the political spectrum has the book.
New York University in Florence. Tonight we talked about the end of the Berlusconi era. Now, you in particular talked a lot about the parties involved in the last election. And if Berlusconi is voted out of the Senate, what do you think will happen to his party, the PDL?
From the Senate. If he decides to retire from politics, I don't think the PDL, the People of Freedom Party, would survive. The PDL.
Do you have any advice going on in the future to make Italian governments more stable?
Advice, we should reform the electoral law, because the existing electoral law is very bad, especially because of the difference in the results that between the Chamber of Deputies and the Senate. And so we should make the two laws for the election of the Senate and the Chamber uniform class, so as to be voted more effectively by the Italian voters. Otherwise, we can even expect the abstentionism, the turnout rate to decrease more than in the latest general election of 2013.
And thank you for coming to the La Pietra Dialogue.
You're welcome, thank you.
Thank you.